Hi, today, a first look at iOS 26. All the highlights in 5 minutes. Let's go. The new glass effect immediately catches your eye. When you unlock, a translucent layer appears between the lock screen and the home screen with depth and a soft blur. Icons can now be semi-transparent or clear. They adapt to your wallpaper and adjust contrast, so the interface feels lighter. The lock screen got the new clock style. Now you can make them bigger than ever. Notification also get new glass effect. Safari has been redesigned with an updated address bar, but you will still be able to change it in the settings. The browser now looks more minimalistic and modern. System menus follow the same glass language, panels and context cards with a soft glow and depth. A standout detail, the shine effect around app icons and UI elements. It catches the light and changes when you tilt the device. iMessage got brand new dynamic wallpapers, so now you can customize your chat's look. Overall, the UI has become more transparent and smooth, making it pretty unusual to use the system. Spatial Scene, one of the most cool features, lets you view your photos in 3D. Photos gain depth and layers, and you can view them from different angles. The camera UI is refreshed. Larger controls, quick access to camera settings, and an improved user interface. Now moving to iPadOS 26, there are big changes for Windows and productivity. Windows are more flexible, floating, groupable, and easy to resize, so multitasking now is more powerful. The top bar is more Mac-like. Free, traffic light, buttons and a unified menu bar bring the iPad closer to a desktop experience. You can pin folders to the dock. Files also got some changes. The gaming side got attention too. Now we have a new games app, something like an app store, but for gamers. watchOS also received a fresh UI, new watch faces and sleep score. In short, iOS 26 makes the interface feel more alive and deeper. If you like this, hit like and subscribe, and see you soon.